Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a pressure washer attachment that helps you clean your driveway and your sidewalks a lot easier. Let's open up, see what we get inside, hook it up to our pressure washer, test it out, and we go from there. So, let me get my handy dandy Leatherman out here and let's open this box up. Okay. All right, so a couple different things that we get here. So that is your attachment, and then let's pull this out so you can see underneath. So you have your kind of like little scrub brush piece that keeps the pressure of this underneath it. So it's kind of like on an angle, so when the water starts coming out, it's going to spin around, really making a good cleaning area for you. So it's 14 inches across, and it has a couple extension wands that come with it. So you can extend this out for your pressure washer, so you can make it a lot easier to push. Quick release, love that. So let's go hook it up to our pressure washer and see how it does. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're about ready to get started, so I figured I'd show you what the before looks like, so you can see how it's basically kind of like covered in green stuff and leaves, and it's got some rocks and everything else. See how stained it actually is, and that's our pressure washer ready to go. So let's get going. Okay, so I basically had the two extension pieces on, and I'm gonna hook it to the end of the pressure washer, and it's like any standard pressure washer, so it's got the quick connect piece on it, and then we will hook that on. Make sure we have a good connection. Okay, and let's get going. Okay, so I wanted to kind of show you the before and after, or actually this is kind of like the mid before and after, but obviously what a dramatic difference. And sure, there's some stains that I gotta run over again, but this was with 2 quick passes. Pretty amazing. Okay, let me get cleaning. So it's pretty cool. You can see how it works. And easy enough, I can do it one-handed, and you just got to go slow and controlled, but it does a great job, quick and easy. And like I said, I like to do probably like 2 passes, but I love how it's got a lot of spray under there, and those brushes are definitely protecting you from a lot of overspray. So, pretty neat. Let's just bring it back here a little bit more. It's quick and effortlessly, and no overspray. So, pretty wild. Okay, so I'm walking up to the concrete. See what a tremendous job it did. This side's my lift bay, so it's got a lot of oil stains and stuff. But you can see how nice and clean this side is. And again, despite some heavy oil stains there, it came out pretty good. So I think another pass with some degreaser will make that practically bring it back to its original state. But what a nice big difference compared to what it was. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.